Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make our delightful birds decoupage cards. To start off with, you want to take the decoupage sheet that you wish to make your card with, the coordinating card blank, which you can see has the kingfishers on, and the matching insert. Then we're going to take the card blank and score along the pre-scored fold. We're going to pop out our aperture and then we're going to open out our card, and I'm going to stick in, using some double-sided tape, our insert, and that will fit nicely in the centre, leaving you with a clean white edge. So once that's stuck down and you have your card blank ready to go, we need to build up our decollage to fit in our aperture. So I'm going to pop out all of my sections from my decoupage sheet, and we're going to stick these together. So just picking these sections out. There's one. And two. And then we just need these little pieces that are around our sheet. And then to stick these on, I am using foam pads, which I have already on the back, and we're just going to layer this onto that base image that popped out of the front of our card blank. So we can layer these and keep putting on all of the sections until your decoupage is fully layered. And once you have all your layers completed, then we can stick this to the center of our card, and again I'm going to do that using foam pads. And then to make sure we have it nice and central, I'm going to lay my card flat out on my mat, pop my aperture back in, and then you'll easily be able to open that out. Now just to finish off, I'm going to add the sentiment which we have, the coordinates, which says best wishes, and I'm just going to pop that on the bottom. So there you go, you have your finished delightful birds decoupage card.